Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to those of you who are listening. My name is Muhammad Daniel bin Rezlan, and I will be presenting our business plan for Boss Energy Technology Sdn Berhad. So, our company's mission is to build and provide a solar panel installation, maintenance, and repair company here in Sarawak. As far as we know, we have yet to hear of any good or private installation companies here in Sarawak. At least none of that we have heard of. And our objectives is to establish a company that will provide professional solar panel installation and maintenance company whose service will brand will operate mainly in East Malaysia, mainly in Sabah and Sarawak, as these areas in Malaysia are more rural and would definitely benefit more from solar energy, as some houses are either off the grid or experience blackouts mostly in these areas. Moving on to our business overview, our business description is that BET intends to start off small in Kuching, Sarawak. We believe that Kuching, Sarawak is a good place to start as it's a metropolitan city here in Sarawak, which means that contact will be quite easy and customers will be readily available around us. We will ensure that our workforce consists of qualified individuals, seeing that some solar panel installations are made by freelancers who are either not qualified or who have gotten their qualifications somewhere else. We believe that if we hire those who are qualified, properly qualified for the job, that our business will grow a lot better than the ones that are currently existing. So, a bit of a background about the solar panel industry is that it's been gaining massive popularity in the recent years. In 2019 alone, the expected growth of solar panel use in Peninsular Malaysia has been about 20%, and it's been increasing a lot more due to the investments created by the Malaysian government. And right now, the availability of solar panels has been very good to us, as in that it is available in an industrial scale or a consumer scale. Whereas in an industrial scale, it will be used to power plants and substations, where in consumer scale, it would probably be used on roofing of houses to provide some energy in household commodities. So an increase in demand, as we've said before, has been due to a few financing schemes that the government has implemented. And among them are the Green Technology Financing Scheme and the Green Investment Tax Allowance. This allows us to get around a few breaks from taxes and quite possibly acquire a loan in order to establish the company. Now, the company that would be established would not go anywhere without any expected growth. So, in the US, the solar industry is worth around 10 million milliards, and is expected to grow in a growth rate of 22 cents, which is quite significant, as we aim to quite possibly increase this business to the peninsula of Malaysia by the year 2030, 2035. And 17 solar investor applications have been approved by SEDA in 2019. Among them are CIMB and some other companies that have shown quite an interest in solar technology. And as for our competitors, we have none. Based on a direct company directory by POSHARP, we have not seen any companies that are based in Sarawak. We have seen one that is based in Sabah. However, we cannot get any information on them as their website does not exist or is down. And we would definitely assume that they are not a major player in the solar panel business. So, with that in mind, we aim to be the pioneers of solar industry here in Sarawak. Moving on to our market and customers. So our customers will only be around the consumer market, which means that we will roughly do solar panel installation on houses, commercial houses, and none of the industrious kind. So we will focus all of our resources 100% to the consumer market. So for marketing and sales, our services, we will provide installation of solar panels. We will provide maintenance for the solar panels that we have installed, and we provide repairs for panels that are installed by other contractors without, if it doesn't reach their contract, we will have legal teams working on that regarding contracts with customers or self installation. For advertising, we will be giving out introductory letters either through mass letters, and we will put adverts in newspapers, TV, and radio. Public relations, we will attend and participate in local exposés, seminars, and business fairs. This will increase our relations to the public, not only to the public, but to other companies around that are interested in either investing or communicating with us regarding any other contracts. And we will also do some online advertisements on social media platforms. Moving on to our management plan, as I've introduced myself already, I am the chairperson of the company. Our technical services, our technical services will be handled by Mama Awidi. Our client services will be handled by Shazwan, and sales and marketing will be handled by Aizat and Hafizi. Our operation plan, we will keep services at the market value without increasing them. This ensures that customers will keep coming back, and we will probably gain more customers as we will not be changing our service rates. We will keep it at the market price. If the market price goes up, then we will follow the market price. If it goes down, then we will also follow the market price. This creates a trust within not only our customers but also our investors that we will be constantly making roughly the same amount of money regardless of the time, but we will be in regards to the market. And we will be offering a guaranteed warranty compensation if the problem that arises in their solar panel system is due to faulty installation. We will guarantee that they will be compensated for that faulty installation. Now, our contact services, we plan to have a 24-hour hotline that can be reached at 1300 881337. It will be a 24-hour hotline operated by a company that we will be contracting. Repair and installation at any time, we will guarantee that repair and installation will be provided to those who need it within our contracts at any given time at the most convenient place. So, moving on to our financial plan, our expenses would be very grand at first. However, the loan that we will be provided, quite possibly through our application of the green tax scheme brought up by the government, we hope that that will cover most of our expenses towards our stint of creating this and running this business. And we will be expecting a rough income of roughly 20K, but it will grow at a growth rate of roughly 6%, is what we expect. And our predictive growth can be seen here in our graph that in the first month we will be making roughly 20,000 ringgit, and in the second month we will be slowly increasing. However, all the operational costs and the sales would probably also increase due to the increase in profit. If not, then where will we get this profit? And that concludes our presentation on our business plan. If you have any questions, please direct them to denirezlan98 at gmail.com. Thank you and have a nice day.